If your mornings start with that heavy feeling in your chest, if your hands or feet feel colder than they used to, or if your energy seems to fade before the day even begins, that's not just fatigue. It's your circulation quietly slowing down. For most men over 60, it's not your heart that's failing you. It's your arteries becoming stiff, narrow, and less responsive. Your body is asking for help. But what if that help doesn't come from a pill, but from a tiny green pod that's probably already sitting in your kitchen? A spice so ancient it was once traded for gold, and yet so overlooked that most people don't realize how powerful it truly is. I'm Dr. Evelyn Hart, a board-certified urologist with over 25 years of experience, helping men restore their vitality and circulation, naturally. And today, we're diving into the real science behind cardamom, the spice that many people now call nature's artery opener. You've probably heard bold claims online. It opens arteries like magic. It lowers blood pressure instantly. But what does the research actually say? Can this small green spice truly support your heart, your blood flow, and even your energy levels? In the next few minutes, I'll show you what modern studies have uncovered about this ancient spice, how it helps relax your arteries, reduce inflammation, and improve blood flow naturally. And most importantly, I'll walk you through the exact way to use it safely and effectively, so you can experience those benefits yourself in just 2 weeks. But first, why do arteries stiffen and lose flexibility as we age? And what's the hidden link between inflammation, nitric oxide, and this one powerful spice? Let's break it down. So how does a tiny green spice like cardamom work inside your arteries? Let's start with what really causes those vessels to tighten and stiffen with age. Your arteries are lined with a thin layer of cells called the endothelium. These cells produce a molecule called nitric oxide, nature's own artery relaxer. When nitric oxide levels are high, your arteries open, blood flows freely, and your heart doesn't have to fight to push blood through. But when oxidative stress and inflammation damage that inner lining, nitric oxide production drops, and your arteries stay tense and narrow. That's where cardamom steps in. This spice is rich in natural antioxidants, terpenoids, flavonoids, and polyphenols that neutralize those free radicals and protect your artery walls from damage. It gently restores nitric oxide signaling, allowing the arteries to relax and expand again. It also works as a mild diuretic, helping your kidneys release excess sodium and fluid, lowering pressure on your entire circulatory system. And because it's anti-inflammatory, it reduces the silent swelling inside your arteries that most men don't even feel. The same inflammation linked to heart attacks and erectile problems later in life. Think of it like this. Cardamom doesn't force your arteries open. It simply gives your body the tools to do what it was designed to do: regulate blood flow, pressure, and oxygen naturally. That's why so many men describe feeling lighter, calmer, and more energized within days of using it regularly. Not magic, just smart chemistry meeting a bit of ancient wisdom. And here's the exciting part. Modern science is now catching up to what ancient healers already knew. A groundbreaking study measured the exact impact of cardamom on blood pressure, circulation, and antioxidant levels. Let's look at what it found, and how you can apply those findings to your own daily routine. A team of researchers from the Indian Journal of Biochemistry and Biophysics conducted one of the first clinical studies on cardamom and circulation. They gave adults with mild hypertension 3 grams of ground cardamom daily, about 1 teaspoon, for 12 weeks. After just 12 weeks, their systolic blood pressure dropped by over 10 points, their diastolic by almost 8, and their antioxidant capacity, the body's defense against oxidative stress, increased by 90%. And here's what made the researchers pause. Several participants reported something unexpected: better digestion, calmer sleep, and more stable energy throughout the day. They weren't just lowering blood pressure, they were improving the way their entire system regulated circulation. That's why I developed what I call the 14-day cardamom circulation reset. It's a simple morning ritual designed to gently open your arteries and restore healthy blood flow naturally. Step 1. The morning tea. Crush 5 to 6 green cardamom pods. Boil them in 1 cup of hot water for 10 minutes. Strain and sip after breakfast. This timing is important. Drinking it after eating helps your body absorb its active compounds more effectively and prevents stomach irritation. Step 2. The midday chew. After lunch, chew 2 or 3 cardamom seeds. This activates your mouth's natural nitric oxide pathway, where friendly oral bacteria convert nitrates into nitric oxide, helping relax your arteries throughout the day. Plus, it freshens your breath and aids digestion. 2 quiet but powerful bonuses for older men. Step 3. The evening calm. At night, add 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder to warm milk or oat milk with a pinch of cinnamon. This evening drink supports healthy blood pressure during sleep and reduces inflammation overnight. Follow this for just 2 weeks. You don't need expensive supplements, you don't need drastic diets, just a daily ritual rooted in science and tradition. And if you track your blood pressure, digestion, and sleep, you may notice gentle improvements by day 10. But like any natural remedy, it's not about doing more, it's about doing it right. Up next, I'll show you who should be careful with cardamom and how to combine it with other spices like turmeric or ginger to amplify its artery opening power safely. Now, before you start adding cardamom to everything, there are a few important cautions you should know. If you have gallstones, cardamom can sometimes trigger discomfort. If you struggle with acid reflux or GERD, use smaller amounts as its essential oils can be stimulating. And if you're already on blood pressure or diuretic medication, talk to your doctor first, because cardamom can enhance those effects. Remember, natural doesn't mean risk-free, but used wisely, it becomes one of the most powerful allies for men's circulation after 60. And here's how you can make it even more effective. When cardamom is combined with turmeric and ginger, it creates what I call the golden circulation blend. Turmeric helps reduce inflammation in your arteries. Ginger improves blood flow to your extremities, and cardamom relaxes your vessels, helping nitric oxide do its job more efficiently. A small pinch of each in your morning tea or smoothie can gently open up circulation, from your heart to every cell that depends on it. It's a simple way to start your day, and the difference you'll feel after a week might just surprise you. But timing is everything. In the next part, I'll show you exactly when and how to use this blend each day to get the best nitric oxide response, without overdoing it. If you want to get the maximum nitric oxide benefit from cardamom, timing matters. Your body's nitric oxide levels naturally dip in the early morning and late evening. That's why a small ritual at those times can make a real difference. Morning boost, 7 a.m. and 9 a.m. 9 o'clock. Right after breakfast, sip your cardamom tea slowly. This is when your arteries are just waking up, and your endothelium, the inner lining of your blood vessels, viscinium, is most responsive. The warmth from the tea, combined with cardamom's natural compounds, triggers nitric oxide release and sets the tone for healthy circulation all day. Evening restore, 7 o'clock p.m., 9 o'clock p.m. Before bed, enjoy your golden circulation blend. A pinch each of cardamom, turmeric, and ginger with warm milk or oat milk. This helps your blood vessels relax overnight, allowing your heart to rest and your body to repair itself while you sleep. Do this for just 14 days and pay attention to the small things: warmer hands, steadier blood pressure, deeper sleep, more morning energy. That's your circulation coming back to life, gently, naturally, the way it was meant to be. And in a moment, I'll share one more crucial tip: what not to combine with cardamom if you don't want to block its nitric oxide benefits. So here's my challenge for you. Try this simple 14-day routine. A small cup of cardamom tea after breakfast, a few seeds to chew after lunch, and your golden blend before bed. Do it not as a quick fix, but as a way to reconnect with your body's own healing rhythm. Because when your blood flows freely, everything improves. Your energy, your mood, your confidence. And if you notice even the smallest change, less tension, better sleep, a lighter heart, that's your body's way of saying thank you. If you found this video helpful, give it a like. It really helps other men discover natural, science-backed solutions like this one. And subscribe if you'd like to keep learning simple ways to protect your circulation, heart, and vitality after 60. In my next video, I'll reveal how combining cardamom with turmeric and ginger can supercharge nitric oxide production, creating what I call the golden circulation blend. It's the natural combo many men wish they'd discovered years earlier. Disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only and should not replace professional medical advice. Always consult your healthcare provider before making changes to your diet or medication. Results may vary depending on your overall health and consistency. Stay strong, stay kind, and keep your blood flowing.